Unit 29. Unit 29. Useful, not useful. Useful, not useful. Friend, watches, steals. Friend, watches, steals. So we are looking at the difference between something that is useful and what is not useful. What do you see in the picture? Now in the picture we can see a man with a gun and a dog with meat in its mouth. Okay, or a dog with an animal in its mouth. Okay, let's come to the passage. The dog and the rat are enemies. The dog and the rat are enemies. The dog is a friend of man. The dog is a friend of man. It watches over man's farms and houses. It watches over man's farms and houses. It is useful to people. It is useful to people. The rat is not a man's friend. The rat is not a man's friend. It steals food from farms. It steals food from farms. People do not like the rat. People do not like the rat. It is not useful to people. It is not useful to people. The dog catches it for some people. The dog catches it for some people. I do not like rats because they steal from man. I do not like rats because they steal from man. Okay, page 29. So you can also send your answer so that we can check whether it is correct or wrong for you in the comment section below.